why we are here to clarify your ideas and thoughts regarding direct selling.
In the present scenario, people are generally confused about the concept and the term legitimate direct selling as against to the illegitimate pyramid scheme or the Ponzi scheme.
For you to understand these topics clearly, first we need to define these things: direct selling, multi-level marketing and pyramid schemes separately. So to start with multi-level marketing, it is nothing but to sell a good or a service. Typically, these plans promises that if one signs up as a distributor, he or she will get commission not only for the sales he make but also for the sales of the people they recruit downline. Now, direct selling is the act of selling products away from the retail outlets. So basically, it is selling product one-to-one person from your home. It includes online as well as offline selling mode. The main focus of direct selling of product is the product distribution. They are not required to recruit new distributors in order to get commission. They can easily earn money by way of selling the company's product.
The third point that you need clarification about is pyramid scheme, which is also known as Ponzi scheme. They are, however, fraudulent schemes that they are disguising themselves as a direct selling strategy. The Direct Selling Association and the Federal Trade Commission have agreed that there are legitimate direct selling business strategies. However, a real difference needs to be pointed out to know the difference between a legitimate marketing strategy and an illegitimate or a fraudulent Ponzi scheme. One, there is no real product when it comes down to the illegitimate product satisfaction. However, the second point that needs clarification is customer satisfaction. When in a legitimate business scheme, that is a direct selling strategy, the money flows upwards to the people at the top, but no value comes down to the customers, which means that the customers at the third or the fourth level are nothing but mere dupes. In contrary to this, we have the illegitimate pyramid scheme wherein the money flows upwards, but we have the legitimate direct selling strategy, wherein the money flows upwards but then no value comes down to the customers. The third and the biggest distinction between the two is the fairness of good maths, wherein it needs to be explained by the illegitimate strategy on one hand, where people at the top get all money and people at the bottom lose everything, and a legitimate direct selling strategy which says that whether you come in first or last, you have everything and the same opportunity as the person who are into the business before you or after you.
Lastly, we would like to discuss about the binary compensation plan. It is nothing but a mode of payment of compensation to this direct sell person, and it is one of the biggest hit among the direct selling businesses.
By now, I hope and I believe that you are convinced about the terms and the concepts of the direct selling strategy and an illegal and a fraudulent pyramid scheme, and we ensure you that Qubul is 100% into the business of direct selling business. Thank you.